Abba, welcome back to Dinah's channel. Yes. I am here in OSU at Oneness Restaurant. Yes, the Jamaican restaurant. So, guys, let me take you in. As I promised, I'll be showing you visuals of the space. Okay, so we're entering. Guys, I like the place, right? Um, boy. Let me just say this to you. Intimate feel, quite spacious, but not very big. A getaway? Yes. Just look. There is an intimacy to this space. It's very hot in Ghana, but it's very cool. Look at the decor. We have the ceiling fan. Still here. Just look. Just look. And just imagine yourself dining at Oneness Jamaican restaurant. My one-on-one will be coming up right after this with the owner. There is a lovely garden, and I'm gonna let you view that. Delicately done. Nice. Got the chairs. We're gonna go and have a look at the garden. And the Jamaican and Ghanaian flag. Crystal clear. Let's look at the garden, guys. Taking it right around so you can view this garden. The place nice and clean. Well manicured. That I'm going to take you through. There's more seating. So you have a section right here also. Let's look what's on the table. Engraved. Oneness. Your finest Jamaican cuisine. Nicely done. Nicely done. Tastefully done. That's just a walkway extending there. Let's look at it. Oops. From this angle. You see? And then there's a little space right here. We sit. So guys, I'm now going to take you through to the bar area. And those persons, you always have a few that may want to sit close to the bar. Is it air conditioned in this space? This is the bar area. Then guys, I'm gonna go through this door. Coming through where there is an executive dining area. This is it, guys. And you have it leads out to a patio. Nice. I really do like that they have engraved the tables. Yes, it's AC. Seats 7. Can I have a party of 14? Let me take it from this side. Let's take it from this side. You can see. Guys, what do you think so far of the decor? Oneness Jamaican restaurant. My one-on-one is coming up right now with the owner. Please share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Merase. God bless.